I get asked frequently what I do to maintain my smokers, but that's really a series of questions. You have maintaining the inside, and what I'm going to be covering in this video is maintaining the outside. And specifically, I'm going to be using the 20x42 offset from Lone Star Grillz. Now, this is not necessarily a cleaning video on the outside, because if my smoker is really dirty, I'll just get the hose out, some mild dish detergent, clean it down, dry it off, and then do this step. This step is when there might be just a little bit of dust on it, and we're going to wipe that off first before we apply a protective coating. Now, if it's a cold day and that metal in the smoker is cold, I like to warm it up a bit with a small fire, somewhere between 100 and 150 degrees, just some charcoal in there, maybe a little tiny chunk of wood, just so we're not putting this protective coating on cold metal. The first thing I want to do is I want to take just a regular old rag here and wipe off as much dust as possible. So you can see we just got like a layer of the dust off here, and now it's time to apply the protective coating. And what is that? That is food grade mineral oil. I've got it, and it comes in a spray bottle here. I'll put a link in the video description to where you can get this, but this really works well in helping protect the outside. Really simple to apply, just spray it on. I use some paper towels, wipe it in, and that'll also pull off some of the dirt as you wipe it on there. Take paper towels, wipe it in. Get a nice coating everywhere. And as I said, as you wipe it down, you're going to pull off some of the dirt here and leave that protective coating of the food grade mineral oil. And that's it. Takes me maybe 20 or 30 minutes to get a good coating on the entire smoker. Remember to do the bottom side underneath. There's rust that can happen there too, so you want to make sure you get everything treated. And the temperature of the smoker is not some set thing, because the metal will accept that treatment, that oil, better at a warmer temperature than if it's stone cold. It's just like if you're seasoning a griddle, you want that temperature up there. So in this, we're just giving that metal a chance to help absorb some of the oil here from this food grade mineral oil and to help protect the smoker. And I'm fortunate to live in a fairly dry climate, but we've just had a lot of rain, and my smoker does remain undercover, so it doesn't get direct contact with the rain, but there's still a lot of moisture in the air. Treatment helps and keeps it lasting longer. I will do this usually 2 times a year, but if it's really going to be damp this year, I might end up doing it 3 or 4 times. I think it's a small price to pay to help keep this smoker in tip-top condition.